To my incredible wife, the last 10 years with you have been nothing short of an incredible adventure. If I could have sat down and planned them out, they couldn't have been more perfect. I'm so proud to walk through life with you by my side. You make me happier than I ever thought possible. I cannot imagine a single day will pass where I won't love you with all my heart. Ollie. Well, 10 years and 20 days ago, my life changed forever. I was walking up to the Red Lion pub in Houston, and you were leaning on the wall in your black jeans, a rabbit fur gilet, and a leather jacket, staring down at your phone. I was 2 minutes late. Then, you looked up, you smiled at me, and in that moment I couldn't help but think that I'd met someone truly extraordinary. Of course, the full story does begin a week earlier. One Sunday night, after finishing an episode of Game of Thrones, I'd logged on to Tinder. Texas didn't exactly have much to offer in that department, but after what felt like an eternity of scrolling, I came across Vicky, 23, a British girl working in oil and gas. Well, naturally I swiped right, and it was an immediate match. Right from the beginning, I knew VP was unique, and that this was different. And over those first weeks and months, I came to discover that VP isn't just beautiful. She's the most caring, thoughtful, and kind person I've ever met. She has an energy and enthusiasm for life that's just completely infectious, and there's no mystery as to why she plays such an important role in so many people's lives and is loved by so many friends. It's been a privilege to spend the last 10 years with you, watching you grow into the terrifyingly successful person you are today. And I'm so proud of all that you've achieved. VP, you're my best friend, my partner in adventure, and the love of my life. Over the last 10 years, I've watched you grow into the most extraordinary person, bold, brilliant, and endlessly kind. Whether we're singing karaoke, booking our next holiday, or just watching police thrillers on the sofa, you make every moment brighter. You've made me a better man, and I'm endlessly grateful for all the love, wisdom, and joy you've brought into my life.
Oh my goodness, wow.
Ollie, if at the age of 24 I had sat down and made a checklist for a life partner, which sounds like something I would definitely have done, never in the depths of my imagination would I have been able to conjure up a person as perfect for me as you are. I am who I am because your love manages to simultaneously push me forward while also accepting me where I'm at. You celebrate my achievements as you would your own, never missing the opportunity to tell others how proud you are of me. Never the opponent, always the cheerleader. You make every one of my days better. You make the mundane exciting, the difficult easy, and the good perfect. You're my best friend, my favourite person, my sanctuary, and my home. I can't wait to see where the rest of our lives take us. I feel that together, we truly are limitless. See you very soon. I'll be the one in white. All my love, VP.
There are many sounds to a life lived in love. Some buzz, like the loud stillness of nights you cannot sleep or cannot dream, as you realise you need this somebody and always. They swell, building as palms become sweaty, knees weak, and arms heavy. Others are shrill, sitting uncomfortably like the days that don't come easy. This is quietened by the comforting reprise of knowing you have someone to cling to when the rain sets in.
Of all the places I have been and all the things I've been so fortunate to experience, nothing compares to loving you. I loved you in Texas, where we were just two 20-somethings cosplaying as cowboys. I loved you in Louisiana, where I lived and worked in a trailer park. and the only joyful part of my day was calling you. I loved you while we struggled through long distance across London, Holland, Geneva and Dubai, and we had to learn how to support each other from afar. And I love you in Singapore, as we have built a life worthy of the dreams we shared with each other when we were just two 20-somethings cosplaying as cowboys in Texas.
Loud crescendos of happiness are arranged in between, as if heavens burst, so stars don't shine. At last, all these sounds are gently resolved by the steady beat of a love that feels strong. One so strong, you'll now never be the lonely one.
Now, let's raise our glasses to friends who've become family, to family who've been our foundation, and to the love that brings us all here today. But most importantly, here's to VP. Sharing the road of life with you is really an honour. I find it funny to think of this as a new chapter today, because it feels like we're still writing the last one. But whatever the next one has in store, I know I'll take it in my stride because I have you by my side.